Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using all affordable makeup products. So majority of the products that I used are found at either Ulta, the drugstore, or at your local beauty supply store. I'll be sure to link all of the information down below, but if you are interested in seeing how I created this look today, be sure to stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some concealer on my lid to basically prime. And I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I really like this. This I think costs about $5, so I really like this. To me it's comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, but it costs way less. The Tarte Shape Tape is like $25, maybe $27, and that one again is like $5, so I'm here for the $5, okay? Okay. Alrighty, so today's palette that we're going to be using is also something from Makeup Revolution. It is the Soph X Ultra Eyeshadows palette, and it has 25 eyeshadows in it, and the colors are so pretty. So I ended up getting this because it was $15 first of all, and I heard so many great things about Makeup Revolution. I had never actually tried their eyeshadows before, so I figured today was a perfect time to try them out, especially since they're really affordable. $15 for 24 eyeshadows is great. So let's see if it is worth the hype, okay? So I'm gonna set my eyes, and they actually have like the names of the colors on here. So I'm going to set my eyes with this shade right here in the corner, and it is called Cup of Tea. I'm gonna take this Morphe M173 brush to set my eyes. Alrighty, now we are good to go. Okay, so I am going to, I love the fact that they have a really nice transition color in here. So I'm going to go in with, I'm not sure what the name of this one is. Let's see. It is called Danger. So I'm going to go into Danger right here. We're going to use this as our transition color. Okay, so far so good. I mean, it's not like crazy pigmented, but that's okay because it's just a transition color. So I'm okay with that. I didn't mention the brush that I'm using. It's the Morphe M441. Y'all should know this by now. If you don't, Morphe is super affordable. It's definitely an affordable place to purchase brushes. I don't believe in spending an arm, a leg, or a thigh on brushes. So I definitely like to take advantage of the Morphe brushes whenever I can. I'm also a part of the Morphe brush club, so they send me like 5 or 6 brushes every month, which I'm about that life, okay? I actually have too many Morphe brushes because they send them to me every month, but they're so good. I think it's like $20 a month too. So if you are trying to build your brush collection, you should definitely check out the Morphe brush club. I'm going to go into one of these colors down at the bottom, and I'm using a Morphe M443. Sorry, I thought I used this before. A Morphe M443 brush, and I'm going to take this color called, I gotta start like looking these names up, Mug Cake. It's like this chocolatey color right here. So I'm going to take that and apply that to my crease as well. Okay, I like this color too. I think this is really pigmented. I'm here for that. I always love dark chocolatey brown colors. I just think they're so cute. Alrighty, so then I'm just going to take a clean brush. This is the Morphe M521 brush, and I'm probably gonna end up using all Morphe brushes in this tutorial, by the way. But this is the Morphe M521. It's clean, and I'm just gonna blend everything out. And then I mentioned this in all my videos, but I'm basically just buffing this out in circular motions. And I apologize, you guys. I did not tell you what products I used on my eyebrows. So the products that I use on my eyebrows are actually also pretty affordable. Well, one of them is really affordable. And I have it right in front of me. It is the Toto Temptation Brow Definer. So I'm obsessed with these things. I literally have like a bunch of them just laying around here. I'm obsessed with these. I love them so much. They're from Maybelline again, and they're really affordable. I think they cost like $7 or $8, but you can purchase them at any drugstore, or you can also purchase them at Ulta. I'm gonna go into this black that they have in the corner right there in the corner, and I'm going to apply that in the same places that I actually just applied this brown color. Woo! I think I put too much on right there. Okay, so that looks good to me. So I'm actually just gonna take some concealer. This is a NYX concealer that I have, and I'm about to take this and pop a little bit on my lid just so I can make my eyeshadow look a little bit more clean and a little bit more pigmented. I'm gonna go into this gold. It is called Grow Old, and it is in this corner right here. I'm gonna take that gold and apply that all on my lid. So there's a lot of fallout on the brush, but I wanna see how it looks first before spraying my brush. Ooh, okay. That is really pigmented. However, there is a lot of fallout, so just be careful with that. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout, like a ton. So to prevent this extra fallout, I'm just gonna spray my brush. Yeah, this color is nice, y'all. Really, really pretty. I like this a lot. I'm actually going to use a smaller brush just to get here at the top. I still think this is like not bad. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go in and blend out everything and make it look nice and cohesive. I swear to y'all, I was not going for like a black, but we're gonna make it do what it do, okay? Make it do what it do. So just for the sake of time, I am going to finish the rest of my face off camera, just so we can finish up on the eyes. So I do just want to let you know the products that I am going to be using on my face. So I'm using the Infallible foundation, and this is in 112 Cocoa. I'm also using the Infallible powder, and this is also in 112 Cocoa. So I am back. I just applied my foundation, and the next thing I'm going to do is apply my concealer. So the concealer that I'm using is the one that I mentioned on my eyes previously. It is the Makeup Revolution concealer. I really like this. I'm in the shade C13. Again, this is comparable to me to the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So about this life. I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender. I don't know where it went. A damp beauty blender and just smooth everything out. Blend everything. Now my beauty blender, I'm not gonna say that it's affordable. It's the original one. So I think it was like 20 bucks. But I can link one down below for y'all that is affordable. I'm sorry. I used it this morning, so it wasn't clean. But it's the Sonia Kashuk one. I really like that one. So I'll be sure to link that one down below for y'all to check out, because it actually is really good. So I just did under my eyes. Now I'm also going to conceal my nose and my forehead area. As you know, I be doing the most here. We gotta conceal and highlight everything and blend everything out with our blender. This is like my favorite part, honestly, because I really love this stuff. It might just be my favorite powder, and it's all dirty and nasty. But this is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm in the shade Medium Deep. Y'all, I love this stuff so much. It is amazing. This thing, I think it costs like 7 or 8 bucks too, and I got it from Walmart. Again, I will link this bad boy down below because I love it. I like this more than I like the Laura Mercier one. So yeah, I'm gonna be sure to link this down below. I just really think it works really, really well. So I'm just gonna take my another beauty blender and apply that in all of those places that I concealed or highlighted. This powder is amazing. Again, a little does go a long way. Like, you don't have to use that much. And I typically don't bake with this powder just because it just, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of baking anyway. So I just kind of like apply it and just kind of blend it in immediately. I noticed that it's kind of stays in place when you try to bake with it. So I don't really do that, because then it's kind of hard for you to blend everything out. So I just kind of blend everything out immediately. The next thing I'm going to do is bronze, and the thing that I use to like contour and bronze is this black Radiance pressed powder, and I believe this is like $5 or $6 as well. They sell this at Target. They sell this at, for sure, like Walgreens and CVS. And then also on the Black Radiance website. I've seen Black Radiance basically everywhere, at the beauty supply store, everywhere. And I'm in the shade Rich Mahogany. So I use this to like contour and do my thing. And kind of deepen up my face a little bit. Not too much, not too crazy. But just a little bit. So I like to do my temples, my forehead, and all that jazz. Y'all know the drill. The same spots everybody contours, that's where I contour. Nowhere special. Okay, and then I also like to use my bronzer to contour my nose as well, because I don't like it to be like crazy harsh on my nose. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe M516 brush and contour my nose. I apologize, y'all. I'm just coughing like crazy. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blend everything out and make sure everything is set, and I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible powder to set everything and make sure everything is right and tight on my face. And the brush that I am using to set my face is a Morphe, sorry y'all, a Morphe G36 brush. I cannot talk, obviously. And I always kind of like blend out under my eyes, even though I set, just because I don't like my contour and my highlight to be like crazy. So I'll blend everything out. I do the most. So the blush that I'm using is just this like 10 color blush palette from BH Cosmetics. And I'm not exactly sure how much it costs. I know for sure it's like less than $10. BH Cosmetics is extremely affordable. They are known for being affordable and having good quality makeup. And I have been obsessed with their blush palettes for a while, because this one you get 10 different colors. And I'm pretty positive that this costs less than $10. Again, I'll be sure to link it down below, but I'm gonna go into this blush palette here. And I honestly just mix a bunch of colors together, so we're gonna not do anything different and just mix all the colors we feel like using and pop this on our cheeks. Yes, do you see that pigment? You don't even need that much. Like, whoop! Yeah, a little definitely goes a long way, so we're gonna need to blend that out a little bit. Going to apply my highlighter now, which is a highlighter that I love so much. I'm like literally obsessed with it. This is the Milani Strobe Light highlighter, and it's in the shade number 4. It is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with a Morphe M510 brush. Yes, okay, y'all see that? Do you see that glow? Oh my God, do you see that, y'all? I'm over here beaming. So I'm going to apply my mascara now, and I am actually using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara in the shade, I think it's Blackest Black. So we're just gonna pop this on, and then after I do my mascara, I'm actually going to apply my lashes on off camera, and then we can finish the rest of the eyes. So let me go do that, and then I'll be right back. So I put on my lashes, and now we are ready to finish up the rest of the eyes. So I'm gonna go back into the Soap X palette and smoke out the bottom of my eyes a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in and apply it with the same like brown colors that I used before, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit because I don't want it to be like crazy smoked out. I'm gonna take this shade right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's like this light color shade. And I'm gonna put that all into my tear duct. Ooh, that's like extra bright. I might need to soften that up a little bit. I didn't think it was gonna be that bright. Ooh. I was not planning for that. And last but not least, the product that I'm going to be using on my lips is a NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick, and I love these. These are super affordable. I think this costs about $5 or $6. It's in the shade Soft Spoken. This is like one of the original shades that they came out with. So yes, I'm going to be using this and applying that on my lips. Okay, so this is the final look that I created using all affordable makeup products. Majority of these can be purchased either at Ulta or at any drugstore or your local beauty supply store. Again, I'll be sure to link all of the information down below for the products that I used. And as always, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And I will see y'all later. Bye.